Hey guys, what's going on? In this video I'll be showing how you can customize your Android Studio. For example, how you can set the font size and the theme for your Android Studio project. You have to go over file menu here on the top, and here you will find an option for settings, and here go open your editor tab here, and then go over font section here, and here you can change the font size as you desired. For example, I will be setting the font size to 20 here, and you can also set line spacing here and how it will look on editor. This is a sample preview for it, you can see on this window, and here then click on apply and then OK, and let's see the editor section now, looking good. And the second thing we are going to customize is theme. For this one purpose, you have also go over settings menu, and then here go over appearance and behavior tab, and open your appearance tab, and on the top you will find an option for theme. I have applied the Dracula theme on Android Studio now, and now I will be changing it to IntelliJ, and now click on apply and then OK. Yeah, now it looks that way. Thanks for watching this video guys. Stay tuned with our channel Infopia for more such amazing content, and have a nice day and happy coding.